In a peaceful forest, Daisy the dragon was sneezing. Her friend Max was worried. Suddenly, Daisy sneezed, turning Max into a frog. The next sneeze made their house fly. They visited the wise owl for help. Owl gave Daisy a flower to sniff. Daisy sniffed and sneezed mightily. Everything returned to normal, except Max. Max now had wings. They laughed at the silly turn of events. Together they flew around, enjoying their new adventure.